Hi, so this is the Bestten electrical USB charging caddy here. So you'll notice there's actually two trays that are built right into this USB charging station. So let me go ahead and show you that close up. But as you can see here, the caddy itself, there is a outlet plug in the middle, so that if you have a USB, you could simply plug it in and have it just basically hanging on the electrical plug itself. And same thing with this particular one here. And there are 3 USB plugs. And let me give you a closer look here by removing these phones. So as you can see now, the trays themselves. Now you'll notice the trays themselves are a little bit different. For example, this one has the outlet hole in the middle, while this one has one on the leftmost side. Though I find that even with the ones in the middle, you could actually fit, but it just fits a little bit better. Same with this. And let me remove the plugs. But first, I do want to show you just the plugs themselves. So you notice, there is room for the regular size plugs. As you can see, this one is a thicker, surge protection plug. And this also acts as a surge protector, so it's not just an electrical plug. It is also a surge protector. So let me go ahead and remove this and show you some of this. So let me go ahead and show you this. And you could see the 3 USB plugs. And the USB plugs are 3.1 amps combined. So this does provide the fast charging capabilities also. And as you could see, it's a Bestten surge protector, and you could find this exact model in the description area of my video. I'll have a link to Amazon, which is where I got this. And let me show you the back here. So these two things does retract. As you can see, it retracts very cleanly. Now let me remove it and show you that the back here does take up 2 plugs, because as you can see, it's expanding the 2 plugs here to 3 plugs, as well as the USB. So, obviously it's going to be a little bit safer just to have, take up 2 plugs, as you don't want to overdraw, too much electricity from one outlet. And I did again want to mention that this is a surge protector, as well as a USB phone charging station. But that's really what I wanted to show. That's really it, and I hope this helps. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching.